Our story begins in the land of the birds.
Conference of the Birds has been adapted by Faceless for the outdoors from a 13th century Sufi poem. It's a powerful story, an epic journey, a search for enlightenment with a universal moral that everyone can relate to, regardless of age, language or culture. Faceless's adaptation is exciting, it's funny, it's tragic and poignant. We work with mask, puppetry, clowning, non-verbal physical performance. Each time we perform the show, we work with a community cast aged 11+, sometimes a little younger if parents and carers wish to work with their children. We spend 5 full days in rehearsal with up to 20 members of the local community to prepare for a performance on day 6. We create a safe working environment where our cast, many of whom have no previous performing experience, will gain the confidence to perform in public. The project is very versatile. It builds confidence in bucket loads and provides a unifying experience for disadvantaged or marginalised communities. The quality is always high, with shows regularly holding audiences of 250+. It's also a great way of building positive profile for an area. Over the years, we've worked with refugees and asylum seekers, as well as with Catholic and Protestant young people in Northern Ireland. On a recent project with families in Huddersfield, participants continually stated how they had previously never done so much daily exercise. How the rehearsal days just seemed to fly by. And how the project was the best week of their lives. In the past 3 years, Faceless's Confront of the Birds project has worked with over 750 participants and reached around 4,000 audience members.
I am the God of the birds. Those that see themselves in my mirror
See themselves as they truly are.